Hi, it's Dr. Tim Lynn here, and I'm going to talk today about thyroid symptoms and the different things that can go on with thyroid symptoms. Uh, Most common type of thyroid condition today is Hashimoto's thyroiditis, and it's very similar to hypothyroidism. And a lot of people know the symptoms about hypothyroidism, but they're two totally different problems, and there's two totally different ways to treat them, but the symptoms are a lot of times the same. So we're going to touch on the symptoms of hypothyroidism and also Hashimoto's thyroiditis, which is an autoimmune thyroid. Primary symptoms for thyroid condition is just sluggish, no energy, just absolutely tired all the time. A lot of times sleep disturbances. They go to sleep, wake up, go to sleep, wake up, because the thyroid is also affecting other systems inside the body. A really common one is can't lose weight. I've seen a lot of women in my practice. This can affect both women and men, but predominantly women. About 35 million women are actually suffering with thyroid conditions, and over half of those people are undiagnosed. So they're having thyroid conditions and thyroid symptoms, but they're undiagnosed and they think they got to live their life that way. But back to the weight loss. Women have tried everything to lose weight, and I know and I understand there's a couple things that are very important to women, and one is weight loss, especially if you can't lose weight, and the other one is hair loss, which is another symptom of a hypothyroidism or Hashimoto's thyroiditis, where the hair is falling out. Those are two very important symptoms that affect women dramatically in this country today. So these are a couple of the symptoms. More symptoms that go along with this: morning headaches that kind of wear off in the afternoon, very extremely dry skin, dry scalp. They're just not feeling right, and the reason is because your thyroid is our master gland that controls every metabolic process in our body. It's the gas pedal, and if you take your foot off the gas pedal or you put your foot on the brake, a lot of things are going to happen. And so many women have tried to lose weight, they just can't lose weight, and it's really not a weight issue, it's more of a thyroid issue. And until the thyroid is dealt with, you're not gonna get the problem resolved. Another symptom that goes along with this is constipation. Really common is constipation, and many women also think, or many people think, that it's it's a normal aging process. And once again, it's not a normal aging process. But if you put your foot on the brake or take your foot off the gas pedal, these things can happen. So what we try to do here is we try to find the underlying cause. Is it the hypothyroidism? Is it Hashimoto's thyroiditis? And treat it accordingly so you can get your life back. And until you start, dealing with the core issues with this, you're not going to lose weight. You might lose 5 pounds here or 10 pounds here, but you will gain it back, or you'll get to this certain level, and you just can't break this one barrier. And that's because the thyroid is not working correctly. So hopefully this is good information for you about some different symptoms that go along with thyroid conditions.